Hi, name's Henrik Recklow, and I'm just doing a quick video here on how I took and made a paint booth for my airbrush system using a old shelving unit that I had in my basement. I'm just going to show the end result on how I did it and so forth, and kind of explain what I did, and we'll kind of go from there. This is the booth itself in the basement. I took an old shelving unit that you can see, and I enclosed the sides with corrugated plastic cut to size, and then took a piece of small paneling on the back and filled it in. So basically enclosed this entire shelf in so that the paint and stuff wouldn't spray out and so forth. In the end, I can always take and layer newspapers and stuff like that in here to take and help keep it clean. I took the top shelf off and replaced it with a 3/4 inch piece of plywood to make it more sturdier on top. Then went out and got a 10-inch box fan from Walmart and brought it home, and I cut out a hole in the bottom just big enough for the intake for the fan to fit through. Then I sat the fan down on top of it, and as you can see, it sets flush with the top of the shelf. I then enclosed it in with duct tape so that there was any leakage coming from around the bucket, it would be sealed up. I cut a hole in the top of the bucket and put a ductwork collar in up there. I then took a 4-inch piece of dryer vent hose kit and hooked that in and took it out through the ceiling and the outside wall of the house and vented it to the outside. So all in all, it came to maybe $35 total to take and do this. I already had the corrugated plastic plus the paneling and the shelf, so wasn't no expense there. The fan was about $8. Ductwork and other stuff was about $25 altogether. Gives me a nice little area to take and work with, though. I have my air compressor down here, my paints, airbrushes, things of that nature up here on the top shelf. But if I need to, I can clean off that other shelf for other material or anything else that I need for my kit. So all in all, I think it came out pretty good. It's a quick, easy thing. It took me maybe a couple of days to do it, considering I had to go down to the store to get something. Otherwise, that's about it. You know, it's a nice big area to work on, so I think I will have a lot of enjoyment with this, and it'll be very useful for airbrushing.